Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to check activity viewers on SentryPC. So go into on your dashboard, activity viewers, and select, for example, events. Now show all events, all alert events, all blocked alert events, all non-blocked alert events. Show only applications calls and so much more. Show only blocked applications and much more. And show only blocked website categories. Also, so it's just to sort things. So show only applications. And you can select the device. When we select one device, we can select the user. And the updates is around every 20 seconds, 15 seconds, and you can update it manually. And here you have all the activities, but non-activities have occurred since the viewer last update. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.